So, Kellen and my husband wanted to try the pizza came from a vending machine. It's called PizzaForno. I don't know how they make it. I have no clue. But let's check this out.
You ready, Kellen?
Yeah.
Let's see how it goes. It is raining. We're gonna check out what's going on here.
Watch this. There's
Hold it.
There's-
Barbecue chicken, honey and goat cheese, meat lovers, 4-cheese blend, pepperoni or Hawaiian, caramelized onion, bacon, pineapple, barbecue sauce. Let's try that one.
yeah.
Honey and goat cheese. We're gonna try that one.
I wonder how it comes.
Obviously, I want it hot.
I want
Ready?
like cold pizza.
It's only $13.
Mm.
Let's see this. Hawaiian hot. Continue. Ready? Please follow the instructions on the pin pad. Well, your order has been confirmed. Your pizza is on its way. Would you like a receipt? Yes. We'll send it to Mom's.
Yeah. Look at all the
I don't
pizza.
even know Mom's right now.
1, 2, has download the Pizza for Jean app. Download on the App Store. Get it on Google Play. There's their Facebook.
Are you excited to try?
Look at that.
I know, your Hawaiian pizza is on its way. Check this thing out.
Is it like open the box up?
I don't know. But there is nothing open as far as I can see on northern Manitoulin Island. We're very far from home. Thought we'd stop for a snack. Your Hawaiian pizza is on its way. How does it make it so fast, Kellen?
So they open the box and they slide it in.
Who? There's nobody in here.
The robot opens the pizza box and slides the pizza in a little chamber that's hits all the.
I'm pretty sure the pizzas are already made inside there already, Kellen. Yeah, like a Delicio, you know what I'm saying? But
on
we're gonna see if
TikTok.
it's any good.
Get a free pizza.
We didn't really need it because we already had supper. But
And
I told Mom I was gonna try it.
it looks.
So let's see here.
It should come through like.
Honey and goat cheese. That actually sounds kind of delicious.
There's a vegetarian.
Look, stick your hand down there, see what happens. Anything? Nothing left.
Look, Dad.
But look, your Hawaiian pizza is on its way. PizzaForno, Little Current, Manitoulin Island.
There's
Let's see how long it takes, bro.
There's a lot of these around. I think I saw.
How do you know? I've never seen one. I've seen one at,
Remember
where have you seen them?
I've seen this one.
Wasaga or Sauble Beach, I seen one.
Yeah, and I've only seen this one and another one on the drive here. It was by the taco truck.
Oh. Okay.
Imagine just walking.
Kind of neat. It doesn't say how long it takes. Oh, artisan pizza in 3 minutes. It's been 5 minutes.
It's open 24/7. Insert cash. I think this is to insert cash.
That's for your receipt, buddy.
Oh, look like it.
Look.
Oh,
Sounds like it's ready to come out. There we go, buddy. Wow. Let's have a look at this. Hold it. Both hands. Is it hot?
yeah.
It's small, but it looks kind of good. So, okay. Let's go back to the hotel and try it. It looks getting the truck pretty good, though. Nice big chunks of ham. Let's go back and try it. Actually, kind of looks so good. I think I'm gonna go try the goat cheese and honey. I don't know. Sounds different, but might be kind of good. Plus, we're just goofing around tonight, so let's try another one. Let's try the honey and goat cheese one. Hot. Make it hot. Because you can just take them home if you want and heat it up yourself.
He's falling.
So, easy as that. We'll wait. Honey and goat cheese, it's on its way. I don't know why that sounds good. Kind of weird, but let's try it, eh, buddy?
It's nice.
Honey and goat cheese.
Honey and goat cheese. It does sound pretty good.
Let's try it.
8 types available for the pizzas.
I think it's really neat. What's this? Knives? You want a knife? Take a couple of knives. Let's check this. Look, there's the machine inside. Look, that's supposed to be the camera inside. Now we know. What the heck?
I think that's how it cooks it.
Well, yeah. There, now it goes in the little oven. That's probably why the oven was so hot. The box.
It was pretty hot when I got it.
Are you having a good trip so far? Yeah.
We went on the ferry.
We got along.
Awesome.
What was the ferry called?
The cheesy one.
Yeah, it was pretty neat, eh?
I saw a lighthouse, but for a bit it felt like nothing. It was just
That's
hot.
the fastest hot pizza I've ever tried. I hope it's good.
It looks good. Look at it.
That's a deluxe or a vegetable.
See, the
I don't know.
TikTok.
We'll try this one. Mom might be mad because we got two, but
But whatever.
that's okay. Whatever, right?
Yeah, it's kind
Whatever.
of good pizza. What a good pizza.
If we don't eat it all, we snack on it in the truck tomorrow.
Yeah.
We gotta find somewhere to eat breakfast, and then we're driving all day. We're gonna go to Sudbury, check out the Big Nickel.
It took a total of 8 hours and 30 minutes to get here.
Well, that was all day, plus the ferry ride and all that. So
6 hours.
driving was only about 5 hours.
Yeah, and then there was the cheating on that was like 2 hours.
And we drove around all over the place. So
And
pizza's gonna come right out of that slot there any second.
I want to see how it does it. That's so cool. Should come out any
gonna come. Look, you can get a free pizza if you make a TikTok. Look, get a free pizza. Make a TikTok of your PizzaForno visit. Tag us and we'll send you a free pizza code.
See if it does it. Oh. Look at the light in it.
Is it coming?
Yeah. Oh, it smells so good.
Oh,
Let's take it. See what
let's
it-
check out what this one looks like.
Hi.
Is it hot? Wow. Delicious. Let's go.
So that's the pizza?
Honey and goat cheese.
Honey and goat cheese? How is
Come on,
that?
Hang on, don't videotape my bald head.
How did you like it?
It's good. Here, try a piece.
Mm.